What's going on, guys? It's Arden back here with another video. Today we're going to be working on my Chevy Cruze, and today we're doing I wouldn't even call it a mod. It's really just a protection thing that I've been wanting to put in this thing for a very long time, because as I'm sure you've probably seen from the title, we're putting in some all-weather floor mats, and it's probably hard to see, but if you can see this, but as you can see, it has been a long time since I've cleaned this thing, and you can see I just have the basic, OEM carpet mats in the front and the rear. I don't have the cargo mat. I may get that later, but I think I need to somehow fix this because this strap is no longer connected. I just have it kind of in there right now. But if you pull on that, it will pull this strap out of that hole, so I do need to fix that. But anyway, we have got some all-weather mats to go in this thing. I can't wait. I need to clean this out first. But first, let me unbox it and show you what I got. Okay, I know you can't see my top half, but I have got the LASFIT liners. We are going to get these opened up. I don't really know much about this company. I do know they make these floor liners, and they also make LED bulbs for headlights and such. Let's get this opened up. Like I said, we got the front and the rears. Hey guys, sorry, this is after the fact, after I videoed this. I forgot to say, I have a discount code pop up on the screen right here, and you can use that for 15% off, and I'll leave a link in the description. Click that link to buy these or get you some LED bulbs or any other products that LASFIT offers. Be sure to use the code and click the link. Move to the GoPro. So this got the front and the rears. These are the fronts. Let me open one up here. I can already tell you I'm gonna like these more than, say, like WeatherTech. I hate to compare them, but WeatherTech's probably your number one brand out there. These feel more rubbery, whereas WeatherTech's are more like a plastic, and over time they don't wear very well. I might have to figure something out with these being folded, but that was, I believe, the driver one. Here's the passenger one, and then the rear has the middle coverage also. What I'm going to do with these actually is I'm going to stick them outside and put them like directly in the sun, so maybe they will get a little more flexible. If not, I have a heat gun because I own a window tint shop, and I may take the heat gun and try to get these to lay more flat. But as I put these outside, I'm going to go and clean the interior of this before I put these in, because it is absolutely disgusting inside there. Okay, here they are laid out on the floor here. They've got some crisscross patterns. They're pretty nice. I bled them outside. They didn't really unfold very well. I'm hoping once they're in the car for a little bit, they'll kind of go back flat. But I've got the back cleaned right now. I'm going to throw this back piece in. Probably can't do that one-handed since this is one piece all the way. So I'm going to throw that in, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here it is. Fits fantastic. Now, obviously, it's not hugging the the floor the greatest in the world right now, but it's also because it was in the box, and I'm sure after a few days it's probably going to lay perfectly flat. But it fits great. Covers pretty much everything. But yeah, I'm going to get this front cleaned up and ready to go so I can put these front ones in. It's kind of crazy how dirty this was. It's still a little dirty, but I got it about the best I can without blowing it out. But I'm going to come over here. I do believe that this is going to be the driver's side. So all we're gonna do is kind of slide it in here like this. Of course, slide it underneath the pedals and everything. And then there's gonna be two little buttons here. I'm just gonna want to line it up with the carpet thing. Trying to feel around where it's at. Okay, that side's lined up. Snap that in. I just gotta go way up. Oh, we're so close. I'm trying to line it up. There we go. Snap that in, snap that in. And she's in. Obviously I have my seat all the way back just to make it easier to get in. But fits great. I'm so excited for this. It's about to make cleaning and everything a whole lot better. Now let's go work on the passenger side, and I'll just go ahead and do it and throw it in. I'll give you an overview. Alright, so I got them installed. This is about to be so much better and easier to clean. I'm not sure why the passenger one came with the holes. Maybe some of the other trim models of this car come with the little pins like this side does. Who knows? I don't know. Either way, they fit great. It's about to be a lot easier to clean, and it'll keep all of my dirt and messiness, you know, on the mats, and I can just take them out, shake them off, and I'm good. But yeah, overall fits great. I like the feel of them. That's one of my complaints with WeatherTech, is that this seems more of like a rubbery than a hard plastic, which I like a lot better. But yeah, highly recommend these. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for these. You can go to their website and get them. They're fairly inexpensive. So here's the exact ones that I got. They're 140 bucks, which is really nice. They have a cargo mat too. It actually says unavailable right now, which I wish I could have got that, but oh well. They're 140 bucks. That's pretty reasonable if you ask me. There you go. There's the new floor mats in the Cruze. Highly recommend these. But if you want a set, link is in the description, and I'll see you on the next one.